QUEERVEE here, ready to talk about the Paletteful packs prompt from January, which is Penuary or whatever. It was a bunch of pens, basically, and I decided to cheat a little bit and use a pen that I think I got in an Art Snacks box previously. I don't know, but it was the same type of pen. I forget what it's called now, but same type of pen as the other ones. It's just in a sky blue color. So I used two different blues. And so when I was first planning out this piece, I tried out the one, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting what all the names are, but the smaller brush pen. I thought that it was waterproof. Like, I scribbled it on like a scratch piece of paper and like put some water on it, but it didn't do anything. But then on this piece it certainly did. So I should have used the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen for the whole thing lining instead of the brush pen, because this would have turned out a lot better. And then at first I was like, oh, I'm gonna do the flowers like watercolor flowers, but then it wasn't really working out right, so I was like, alright, I'll just line it and then go back and put in the color. But that didn't work because the water made the black smudge everywhere, so it's a very smudgy, dark piece in the end, but that's okay. It's of my character, Lucien. He's a vampire, and yeah, he's very like blue and black, so I thought he would be like the perfect character to use for these colors. And I thought it was a little boring with just like the bust, even though like that's pretty much all I've been doing lately. Like, you'll see when I do my sketchbook tour, I've just been doing like headshots and like busts because I don't feel like drawing full bodies. But I was like, let me just like doodle some flowers around and make it like cute. So, and I really like how they look, except like I don't know, in the end, like, I guess it looks okay. I tried to throw some color down there and not have it be all mushy and gray, but it happened, and it was just like, okay, whatever. There's nothing I can do at this point. So I just kind of threw down some stuff. But yeah, I had scribbled the pens like on a palette and was just grabbing the ink with water, but the pen that I used to line was not waterproof, so this did not turn out as well as it could have turned out. It's okay. I like it a bit. I used all of the pens. I made sure that I used them all. I mean, plus my extra blue one. The blue one that I use as extra is like the lighter blue, which I think really makes everything look nice. I like the hair. The hair didn't get too gray or anything, and I mostly managed to just get blue up in there. So I like the hair, and yeah. I wish the flowers were nicer, but oh well, it is what it is, and there's nothing I can do about it now. That's what happens with traditional artwork. So yeah, sorry I haven't been posting much. This is gonna be the first like art video in a while, because it's mostly been like unboxings. I know. But I'm trying to get back into it, so here is my Paletteful Packs challenge with my character Lucien. I'll leave a link to his toy house so you can see more images of him being a cutie. But yeah, I don't hate how this turned out. I like how the pens work with water, like, better than just throwing them down. Like, even though the brush tip is really nice, it's just more fun working with water. I don't know. It's fun to shade and do everything, and just, yeah, I liked working on this. It was fun. I did it just today, so it was good, and I hope you guys liked that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much to everyone, but thank you especially to my patrons. Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, Ashley, and Ezsithyn. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye.